Grooming kit, tools for grooming your head and body, body hair shaver, full-size trimmer, and 5-length guide combs. Non-slip rubber grip, the trimmer is easy and comfortable to handle in the shower. Rechargeable battery, up to 70 minutes of cordless runtime after a full charge. 100% waterproof, trim wet or dry, in the shower, or with shave gel. Cleanup is easy, too. Charging indicator, the LED indicator lets you know when the battery is charging. The Remington 100% waterproof face body grooming kit offers a versatile and complete grooming experience. The 100% waterproof design gives you the freedom to trim dry or wet, in the shower, or even with shaving gel, whatever is most comfortable. The full-size trimmer comes with 5 comb attachments to give you length options. And the body hair groomer attachment features an advanced, multi-stage cutting system that pre-trims longer hairs for close, comfortable results. Don't forget about the rechargeable battery, which delivers up to 70 minutes of cordless runtime with each full charge. Plus. Top reviews from the United States. Works great and is properly water resistant. The cheaper units tend to have the button not be fully water resistant, which causes water to get it and break it. This is the first unit I've owned where it's nicely sealed off. Still works to this day.